Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today we are going to introduce the Elecrow Crowtail STEAM Edu Kit for Microbit. This is a kit designed for education and beginners to learn programming and electronics through hands-on practice. First, let's take a look at what modules are in the kit. The Crowtail baseboard contains 15 modules. Next, we give a brief introduction to these modules. Our kits come with the usual Crowtail modules, each equipped with a standard 4-pin connector to make it easy for you to quickly build a circuit. The first module is a magnetic sensor, used to detect changes in the magnetic field. LEDs 3 colors, green, red, and yellow, of LEDs to indicate status or respond to programs. Vibration motor generates vibrations that can be used for feedback or simulation. RGB LEDs, programmable color LEDs that can display multiple colors. Sound sensor detects the intensity of surrounding sounds. Touch sensor triggers events by touch. Buzzer emits sound for alarm or music playback. Logic block, ANDO RNOT logic gates for logic control. Soil moisture sensor detects the moisture level of the soil. Nining servo motor for precise angle control. Ultrasonic sensor for measuring distance. This is a brief introduction of the main sensors. We will have a more detailed introduction and usage guide later on. The Microbit is a microcomputer board for education and programming learning. This is an overall display of the Microbit motherboard. The basic components of the Microbit board are shown here, so you can see for yourself. And then I will give a brief overview of the different versions of the Microbit motherboard. We support Microbit 1.5 and v2.0 versions of this kit. There are some differences between these two versions. First, the difference in appearance and design. Capacitive touch sensor 2.0 version has a new capacitive touch sensor on the front. Microphone activity indicator v2.0 version adds a microphone activity indicator next to the sound input hole. Edge connector v2.0 version has changed the shape of the edge connector to a notch design. Differences in back design. Copper-plated antenna v2.0 adds a copper-plated antenna. Power status indicator v2.0 version added power status indicator. Sound sensor v2.0 version added sound sensor. Speaker v2.0 version added built-in speaker. Microsoft MakeCode is an online programming platform developed by Microsoft to simplify and facilitate programming education, especially for teenagers and beginners. It provides a user-friendly interface and rich features that make learning programming more intuitive and fun. First, using the official online editor makecode.microbit.org/writeyourmicrobit-code. The left part is a simulator. It will simulate the work of Microbit after finishing the program. The middle part is our command area. There are various program blocks we need. The rightmost area is the script area. You can drag and drop instructions into this area to form your program. Drag and drop some blocks and try your program out in the simulator in the MakeCode editor. The image below shows you how to program a smiley face. Next, we describe the use of MakeCode to connect Microbit and download the program. First, use the USB cable to connect Microbit and computer. If your computer has not installed the serial port driver before, you need to install the serial port driver. You can update it automatically, or you can directly double-click to install the driver file. At this point, click on the MakeCode page link device, according to the operation instructions, to complete the connection. The connection is successful. Just click on the download to complete the download of the program. Let's take a look at the effect. The program is successfully downloaded and run. Very good. The Elecrow Crowtail STEAM Edu Kit for Microbit is the perfect starter kit to explore the world of programming and electronics, whether you are a teacher or a student. Thanks for watching our video, and we hope you enjoy using this kit.